When someone asks what is the best food in India, me, watch this.
निसरीरा बाग